Jeter, 1/1 auto. Dual logo man, Jason Tatum, Donovan Mitchell. Oh, that's filthy. Here we go, guys. 84.98 Tier 1 Baseball coming at you. Let's go. Teams are on the screen. We've got a serial number closer coming up. Here we go. 3 times on names, 3 times on numbers. 1, 2, 3. Marty. On to Fabio. Three times on numbers. 1, 2, 3, 5. Down to 0. Marty 5, Van Pelt 6, NVMe 8, Ryan Luke 4, NVMe 3, Marty 1, Max Ratterman 7, Shubu 9, Eric G-Man 2, and Fabio 0. Let's go. Boom. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Last case, Jeter Bat Barrel Auto 101. Where can we go from there? We're about to find out. Reddit. How about a Legends Willie Mays, the 199 for the Giants. Serial number 12 of 199. Who's got 2? Eric G-Man. Tyler Glasnow to 299 for Tampa Bay, NVMe. On the auto, and for Cincinnati, Tony Perez. Suck on it. You got it. 299. Freddie Peralta to 399 for Milwaukee. That is going 48 of 399. NVMe 24. That's yours from this serial. Otto Lopez to 299 for Toronto. Allen. And Brandon Crawford, 122 of 299 for the Giants. Eric G-Man, another 2 spot. Here's a chunky one. Chunky one. Double relic, maybe? Yep, double relic. Yankees, Garrett Cole to 399. Corey. And Christian Yelich, that is 74 of 399. Going to number 4, Ryan Luke. Kyle Lewis for Seattle, NVMe. And Byron Buxton Kidder for the Minnesota Twins, over to 299. Twinsies. Gio Urshela, 16 of 25 for the Yanks. On the patch, 3 colors. For Houston, 284, 299, Moises Alou. Number 4 going to Ryan Luke. And 19 of 50, Ryu for the Blue Jays. Allen. Joe Morgan for Cincinnati to 199. Suck on it. Legends bat. Alex Kirilloff for the Minnesota Twins to 299. Kidder. And Matt Olson for Oakland. Just Pete. Credit. Josh Donaldson for the Twins, Kidder. For the Nationals, Riley Adams, 259. Chubu. And for the Yankees, DJ LeMahieu, the 299 autograph. Corey. Feels like we got a monster coming. Bat Relic, 349. JD Martinez for Boston. Suck on it. And for Texas to 299, Joe Barlow. Van Pelt. And here we go. Ricky Henderson to 99 for Oakland. And that is jersey numbered 24 of 99. Nice one, Just Pete. Jersey numbered Ricky. That's standable. 24.99 Ricky auto for Oakland. Just Pete 23. Whit Merrifield to 399 for Kansas City. That is 173. NVMe 24. For the Reds, TJ Friedel, number to 299. Stuck on it. And David Cone for the Mets, 289. Chubu. $97 to $399 for San Francisco. Max Logan Webb. Joey Wendell to $299 for Tampa Bay. NVM. For the Pirates, nice one to $299. Rookie auto O'Neal Cruz. 223 of $299. NVMe 24. Nice O'Neal Cruz. And Frank Thomas to $99 for the White Sox. 52 of 99. Eric, yours as well. But big hurt up there. We got a vibe going. Ricky and Big Hurt. Jose Altuve, 104 of 399. Ryan Luke. Gary Sheffield for the Dodgers, NVMe to 299. And we got a gold ink or something. Carl Yastrzemski, 9 of 25. Suck on it for Boston. Yaz for the Red Sox to 25. Tier 1 talent auto. We got like a classic vibe going here. Ricky, Big Hurt, Yaz. Enrique Hernandez at $399 for Boston. For the White Sox, 182 of 249. Dudes have crushed. Eric. For Houston, 69 of 299. Jake Myers, rookie autograph. Cubu. And for the Angels, Burt Blyleven to 299 auto. Allen. And box 12. Listen, this has been a Hall of Fame case. Aroldis Chapman at $3.99 for the New York Yankees, Tori. Dansby Swanson for the Braves, number to 25, Shubu. And Steven Strasburg, 7 of 75, Max from the Serial. Jersey auto to finish it off. There you have it, 84.98 Tier 1 baseball.